today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily apply a color palette to your design in Canva. So if you don't have a color palette, you can easily find it on the internet. And here I'm going to find it on the Pinterest app. So I'm going to open Pinterest, and then on the search column here, I'm going to just type in color palette. And here you can easily find the color that you want. Okay, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to download the image first. And then the next things that you need to do is upload it to Canva. So I'm going to just drag this image to this design like this. And just wait until it's successfully uploaded to Canva. Okay, this is okay. So now it's already uploaded. You can just right click on the image here on the color palette, and there will be an options at the bottom to apply colors to page. Click on this option and just wait. And just like that, the color is now applied into this design. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.